All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Cadillac XT5 all-wheel drive model. This beautiful black with the black leather interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, panoramic sunroof, navigation system, heated and cooling seats, super nice. Only 19,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's the front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. You're tired, right? It is just under 730 seconds. Double checking it. That's right, just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing back here. Your tire third. It's just at the line of 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof. Very nice. I don't see anything dents or anything up there. Sunroof looks good. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, memory seating. It's got your buttons for the back down here for your rear trunk. So you can see your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It is a push start system, which does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got your AM, FM, CD player, honest and all that good stuff. You get your Navi system. I'm gonna work this Navi system because I heard over at the auction that they're saying that these things will display but not move around or do anything. So let's see, destination, address. Look at that. Let's go to Elmwood. Elmwood Park, boom boom, that's New Jersey. Let's try my buddy's house. 80, oops. I don't know what that is. Oh, okay, I see. Miller. There we go. And as you guys can see, it is navigating me to 76 Miller Avenue in Elmwood Park, New Jersey, which is a friend of mine's address. Okay, so we can see that son of a bitch is working, so I don't want to hear anything from people saying it does not work. Backup camera working, AC controls down below working. You got your heated and cooling seats, very nice. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, any miles of 19,948. That pretty much completes the tour for in here. Keeping it moving, open up the trunk. Boom. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does have armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks good. Sensors are nice. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. There's a privacy curtain, which obviously can be removed. Check out pictures for more details. Of course, you got a spare tire here with some tools. I did take away your owner's manuals. You do have a privacy netting, I'm sorry. And then you got this little thing over there that goes here, and it basically stops your groceries from sliding about and your stuff back there from sliding about. Got a button here that closes your rear lift gate, which looks pretty good. Quarter here looks pretty nice. Here's your rear passenger rim, very nice. Does have some curving, very minimal, about 3 inches, 3 to 4 inches there. Tire thread just at 730 seconds. This door looks okay. It does have a dent here with some paint off, about an inch, less than an inch. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents controls and rear heated seats back here. Very nice. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Excuse me. Excuse me. And of course, you do have your panoramic sunroof, a nice shot of the inside of it. This fender looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. And curbing, tire tread on the 730 seconds. About 4. Lights are working. Car is on. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, a 2018 Cadillac XT5 all-wheel drive model with 19,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.